We worked with a program called EZ Scapes, where it's kind of pre-designed for perennial. There's a pollinator, heat stress ones, different gardens. Two of them went to every location where we're doing the program and trained our employees on it. And, that kind of support and help is very helpful. When our staff, when those frontline people get that knowledge, it's so much more successful.
I tried the EZ Scape thing. I have never sold as many perennials in the year that I had them. And he had Judy Sharpton come out and help him with the garden center layout, and they did the whole thing. He says, I used to order, 10, 15 of a perennial on a regular basis. I'm ordering 50s and 100s. And I'm getting this from a very small garden center, single store, in a very nice little market in Jersey. And I went back to our growers and I talked with proven winners. I said, I really want to do this and see what it does. We put in the EZ Scape program. We worked with the grower. We did posters. Now I saw an 80% increase in 1 gallon proven winner perennials. It's not all due to EZ Scapes, but there was a great deal, I believe, that was a success because of the EZ Scape program.